What's up, guys? Hope y'all are having an awesome day. I actually went out today and washed some windows, and I have to admit it, I actually loved it. I liked it, man. I miss it. Most of my job's been in the office doing sales and marketing, and went out there today and loved it, right? But that's not what I wanted to talk about today, but just wanted to throw that out there, man, that I'm actually loving. What's up, Manuel? Haven't talked to you in a while, buddy. How you been? Michael, what's up? Derek, wow me. You wow me, Derek. So, hey guys, first of all, man, hope you guys are having a great day. I want to show you just one quick thing when we first started, what we did to help wow the customer, so to speak, right? And it's a pretty cheap way of doing it. It may be a little bit expensive, but I found it to be pretty cheap because it's perceived value, and that's something that you can't put a price on, to me, you know? So, real quick, guys, my connection's weak. Of course it's weak, right? We already know it's weak. Let me see if I can get you, because I want to show you guys this. And here we go. Check it out, guys. Look at this. After every job, if you're a window cleaner, after every job, come on, get out of there. We simply, after every job, and after, you don't have to do this for every customer. You can give this to, your top tier customers, customers that spend more than $500 with you. This is for the window cleaners, by the way. I know some of your pressure washers are like, oh, what's a squeegee going to do for me, right? Just a quick shower squeegee with your logo on it, with your number on it, right? After every job, you just go to the customer and say, hey, we truly appreciate your business. We really do. We want to give you a gift. Most of my customers have nice houses, and most of them have the showers. The fancy showers with the glass in them. And every single one of them could use a squeegee, right? And here's a good way to keep your name in front of the customer all the time. Like, you're not throwing this away, right? You're gonna, seriously, these are about $1 a piece. $1 a piece, guys. You can order 300 of them, 400 for about $400. 300-400 of them should last you for the whole year, right? And just imagine giving one of these to every single customer out there, saying, hey, thank you so much for your business. Here's a shower squeegee. That way you can squeegee your own showers, right? Pretty cool thing, man. They're not going to throw it away. Every time they use it in their shower, guess what they're doing? They're like, love my windows. Love my windows. So, guys, come up with creative ways to stay in front of your customers. This was just, we don't do this too much anymore. But I found this and I'm like, dude, I want to get back at giving these to every customer. So I'm actually here in the next, probably around springtime, I'm gonna order another 300-400 of these, and every single customer will get a squeegee. And you know what? I think it's a pretty cool. Thanks, Derek. Yes, here's a squeegee. I quit. That's right. Let them start washing their own windows. With this little bitty thing, good luck, right? But it's just a good way for you to stay in front of your customer for the whole year, guys, for a long time. Because they're not going to throw this thing away. If they do, heck, dude, you just lost $1. Who cares, right? All right, man. Hope y'all guys have a great day. Come up with creative ways to stay in front of your customers. Be creative about it. How can you, if you're a pressure washer, what can you give your customer that can last a lifetime besides a squeegee? If you're a carpet cleaner, what can you give them at the end, right? I think SendJim, guys, here goes a quick plug for you, Derek, and your guys over there at SendJim. They can take care of stuff like this, man. They can send them brownies. They can send them cookies. That's my quick shameless plug for my friends over there at SendJim. But dude, get a squeegee, man. I don't sell squeegees, but I thought this was pretty cool. So guys, stay in front of your customer year round. Keep them. Customers are expensive, man. They're expensive to get. Once you get them, you got to find ways to keep them. So guys, hope you have a great day. Derek just actually put his shameless plug down there for SendJim. I endorse it, so it's all good.